In this Photoshop tutorial today I will show you how to create creative poster in Photoshop. First, create a gradient layer. Keep gradient style to radial and do setting as shown. Insert the image. And cut the event part with help layer mask. Then convert it to Smart Object and scale it accordingly. Place second image and scale and set accordingly. Now select the face image, then take a black brush with 50% hardness and paint. And paint OT hide unwanted area. Create black and white adjustment layer and mask it to face image layer. Then create level adjustment for contrast. Now create a black shadow with the help of brush. Then apply Gaussian blur and lower the opacity. Write a text and convert it to Smart Object, and with help of perspective adjust the text accordingly.